Hello, welcome back to my channel.
Here I will teach you how to make your eyebrows, which I have taught you to make in my first videos, so here you just see how I make them. And blend it with the help of this brush. Now I will set my eyebrows nicely with this concealer. Blend, blend and blend. Blend, blend and blend. And after that I will fix it well with the help of this powder. After that I will turn my nose here and will counter my nose. Blend, blend and blend. And then I apply both eyes graphic line with this dark color. Blend, blend and blend. Blend, blend and blend. Now I apply more dark shadow for my graphic eye makeup. After that I apply this dark green color. Blend, blend and blend. Corner blend and then you take a blending brush and blend this toe color. Your blending is so well, otherwise your eyes makeup not looking beautiful. Your blending is so well, otherwise your eyes makeup not looking beautiful. Now I'm gonna create a fine cut crease. Now I'm gonna create a fine cut crease. I will cover the concealer with the help of this powder. Glitter should be applied perfectly. Then I had applied eyelashes very carefully. Then gonna apply highlighter on the nose, cheeks and wherever you want. Bye, take care.